Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the US dollar yen, I mean, this thing is very, very strong. This is for sure a wave one, two, three. It is likely not a WXYXZ pattern like I was saying earlier this week. I've been recommending longs for the last few days, so hopefully you've been following my advice with that, but it is likely not a WXYXZ pattern. It could even go up and take out this high, and it could even break this weekly time frame structure, which would kind of confirm that we have a big turn on the weekly time frame. So we'll see what happens. We're coming up on the 123. That definitely should be an area of resistance. If it doesn't stop there, then I would watch the 138, which is also like this double top right here. So definitely a couple areas to watch out for. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, the 123.6 is right around 150, almost exactly 150. So the market does like round numbers. So if it does, make like a double top at that fib level, break structure to the downside, then yes, we could start looking for sorts. Unless we see this picture right here, though, I would highly recommend not looking for sorts. It could bounce. Go down a little bit, make a pullback, and then bam, right back up. So I definitely personally would be still recommending longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.